All right. Hey, how's it going?
Good, about you?
You know, it's a vibe.
Always.
Yeah, so do you mind introducing yourself?
Of course. My name is Kenny. I'm a cloud network engineer for Leidos. Been doing that for about a few years now, so based out of Tampa.
Okay, so what brings you to BSides today?
This is my third. I've been going to BSides for a while. I like networking, meeting people, just to see what talks and hosts are presenting. I'm also like bringing other people, like for example, I have my nephew with me, so he wants to get in the cyber world, and also tech, I should say. So I said, let's come check it out. Let me know your thoughts. So
Is he currently a student or?
he actually graduated from high school. Right now he does little side gigs, break fixes and stuff like that. So
Okay, that's dope. So you said you currently work in cybersecurity. Are you able to say like a little bit about what you do?
cyber, I wouldn't say cyber. Let me take it back. Even though my title says cloud network engineer, I work on different technologies. So cyber side, I would deal with firewalls, deal with Palo Altos, Fortinets, Juniper SRXs. My thing is to set up VPNs, set up access rules, making sure our logs are good, making sure we're not getting hacked, updates, stuff like that.
You do everything then, is what you're
Basically,
saying?
yeah.
Renaissance man.
Yeah,
Okay.
not really. Yeah, I'll take it back. You're right.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah.
So what specifically drew you to kind of like IT, cybersecurity?
I've always been the type to know how thing works. I like to see how thing works. So at 11, I built my first computer. So from there, I started getting into learning about computers. Then I started learning. My background was systems and networking, and then I just started driving deep into network because I like to see how packets travel. So that just got me there and started taking off.
Are you one of those people who's like, you got your IoT devices and you constantly running Wireshark and stuff like that?
Basically, that TCP dumps. I actually do it on my own network, so at home.
That's
you know,
what I
gotta have my
figured.
lab at home, so,
I
yeah.
figured. You
Yep.
seem like, you seem like one of
I got
those.
to.
Do you drive a Tesla?
I do not.
I was going to say, you watching that too?
No.
Okay.
I drive a pickup with gas.
Oh. So are you from Florida?
Yeah.
True Floridian
Yeah,
then.
I need gas.
Okay. Are there any specific talks that you plan to go to today?
I'm actually going to, hold on, I don't remember, but it's a career track. I was checking out the DevOps that was currently going on earlier. It was pretty nice but packed, and I just got out. But I pop my head out each class to see what they're talking about. It's always good to expand the knowledge.
Yeah, no, right on.
Mm-hmm.
So considering you're kind of in that world right now, are there any specific resources that you leverage to kind of get you ramped up?
So I use a lot of resources. I go from books to YouTube to people, like a lot of people that's here networking, because somebody's always going to be good at something. You know, they did it for plenty of years. So I use a lot of different resources. I try to keep my mind fresh.
What are your top three?
Books. I would say books. I read a lot of different books, but I use a lot of Udemy online
Oh,
courses.
yeah. I just started using it.
Yeah, my job actually pays for that. I use Udemy, books, and also YouTube. There are a lot of great people that teach on YouTube, and some of them are actually very, very good. So I use those three resources.
Yeah, no, there's some stuff on YouTube that's actually like really good. I know the Cyber Mentor actually just published a 10-hour kind of like SOC fundamental course. Yeah. So there's a lot of good stuff for sure.
People, if you get past the ads, you'll be all right.
Oh, there's ads?
Yeah, some people don't want to pay for the ads, so.
Okay, yeah.
It's all good.
Okay, right on.
Yep.
So if you were able to give somebody advice about getting into IT, cybersecurity, jumping into that world, what would that piece of advice be?
Be hungry.
Okay.
Be hungry, be dedicated. I go by a motto called never not learning. I'm always forever a student. I don't care who it is. You can learn something new every day. So be hungry, be dedicated. If you're tired, I understand you're going to be tired, but late nights, early mornings,
Facts.
late nights. So just be dedicated and just what's your why on why you're doing it.
Okay, last thing. If anyone wants to connect with you, are you open to connecting on LinkedIn?
Of course. I'm on LinkedIn under Kenny Lewis. You will see that slogan, never not learning, on the bottom of that. I'm on Instagram. Networking Plus More. I'm trying to think, do I have any other socials now? Just those two, Instagram and LinkedIn.
Awesome. Dope. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.